This is the Beacon site. You can access it from the Historical Society website linked below. I found that there's some burials listed on Find a Grave that are not included in this database, which means that those people probably aren't buried there because the cemetery records were utilized by the County Historical Society to create the database. All of the ones I found on Find a Grave that aren't on Beacon didn't have images. Some of the images of obituaries or death certificates claiming the burial was in Oakwood might have changed after the information was published or printed. Could there have been an unaccounted burial? I'm not going to say it was impossible, but let me show you how to use the Beacon site. First, this includes all cemeteries in the county. So if you're looking for a Kosciusko County burial, you can use the same site, just not for Oakwood and Warsaw. You would select the cemetery. You would then add a search parameter. And then choose a memorial of interest. Unfortunately, Gertrude doesn't have a stone, but while viewing her burial information, click the map. And you can see where she is buried. Each burial is marked with an X, not just stones. Those with stones have images of the stones in addition to the transcription of all information on them. All I did was hit the back button. They also include any other obituary information the Historical Society has found on the individual. The browser back buttons let you go back to other screens. I'm going to show you something on the map. It will remember your last viewed cemetery in person, so you might have to play with the search if you're changing gears at any point. But look at this option to the left. This is the same as the printable map on the City of Warsaw website. But here you can interact while you're trying to find a stone.